The issue here is the lever that locks and unlocks the slide door is not working. It's loose, kind of rotates almost 360 degrees if it wasn't for that handle over there. So we're gonna try to fix that. First we're gonna unscrew and open up and see what's going on in there. So we couldn't unlock the door, so we had to go on the outside and use a key to unlock the door. All right, so we're gonna give it a shot. So we're gonna unscrew these two screws over here and see what we're gonna find, okay? Oops. Alright, so when we unscrew this, we also have to make sure we don't drop the handle from the other side. Let's see what's going on here. I can already see that this pin right here is either chipped. You can see in the camera here, this chip right here, this pin right here. It looks like something either broke off. Oh, I can see it in here. If you get close, there's a metal piece in there that broke off of the pin. So that's the issue. So we're gonna go to Menards or Home Depot and see if we can find something similar. Okay, so we took this with us to Menards to see what we can find. Fortunately, we were able to find a part and an accessory that looks like the cylinder here. It's called a Prime Line Patio Door Cylinder Lock. We got it from Menards. I'm sure you'll be able to find it in similar stores like Home Depot and Lowe's. And I'm hoping it's gonna be able to fit in this. Alright, this accessory calls for some basic tools like drill, hammer, or pliers, and Phillips head screwdriver as tools. And once you're ready to install, you can go ahead and open the packet. The instruction for installation is supposed to be inside the packet, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. This old one, if we put the broken piece with the existing piece, it measures to about 1 5/8 almost. And we're gonna go over here. We're gonna measure the new one. So we're probably gonna knock off that first piece. Let's try and do that. There we go. Alright, now we're going to try to remove this old cylinder lock from here. And so first we're going to remove these insulations, and then there are 2 screws that we need to remove here. Go ahead and remove that. Okay, now we can simply take the cylinder lock out, okay, and then replace it with the new one. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put some screws back on here. Don't want to tighten too much with the drill. So. Okay. Now we're gonna place the insulation back on there. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna try to assemble the handle back on the door. Okay. So we're just gonna start with this one. We're gonna put this in from the outside and see if we can get all three all at once. And get the pin in there. Okay. And then okay, it looks like it's gonna work, so I'm gonna need the screws. If you have found this video to be helpful and you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That way you will be notified when we release new videos in the future. There's too much force with the drill here. You can manually tighten it. Yep, so let's give it a shot. And just like that, you can replace the broken cylinder lock on your slide door handle. Thank you for watching.